and welcome back, everybody. Today, we are about to free up our RAM on our Android without deleting any kind of applications. So, you may also follow up these steps if you prefer. So, let's get started. So, for that, first of all, let's head over to our devices settings and open it up. And once you open up your devices settings, you may just scroll through the given options and go to the section for your battery and device care. So, find battery and device care and tap on it. And under there, you'll be finding a section for memory. So you can tap on memory and we can just go over and clear the cache from the memory, and that should free up RAM on your Android. So once it checks, you can just go over and tap on this option called clean now, and that should probably free up your RAM by following up this method. Apart from that, what we can do is we can clear up our individual apps caches. So you can head back, and once you are here, you can just go over and tap on apps and then select the app from here. So you can just go over and select an app, for example, CapCut. And within there, you can go over to the storage and cache section and tap on it. And just go over and tap on this option called clear cache. And that should clear the cache. You can also clear the data to remove the temporary files from all the applications. This is one of the method available. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and turn off animations. So go to settings for that. And within settings, scroll down and look out for developer options and tap on it. And if this option is not enabled, you can just go over and enable it and just go over to the section for animation. So scroll down and find this animation section. And once you find this animation section, what you can do is you can select this Windows animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. And you can just go over and turn off these options, tap on off and turn it off. And that should probably free up the RAM on your Android without deleting any kind of applications. Also, you can restrict the background usage limits. That is also possible, but that should probably work for you. You can also restart your device. You may just look out for the power button and hold it up and look out for the restart option on your screen and tap on it and confirm it up. And a simple restart can close all the running apps and free up the memory that you're looking for. So that is it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.